I've been sitting here fighting with it all fucking morning. Look at this. This motherfucker's warped. 1/8-inch steel, heat treated perfectly fine, and it's warped. It's right there at the tang. Right there. Got a nice little bow going that way. Why? What am I messing up here? I want to know what the grain structure looks like. Don't try this at home, kids. It's not very often you get to see me smash a knife. There we go. We have an issue with this part of the steel. See those striations there in the metal? Impurities. I don't think it is the heat treat. Outside the voids, it looks good. I think that's what it is. I think we got just a bad piece of steel.